up, everybody? Welcome back. Today I got a quick video with an unboxing from the only Derek over at Honest Diecast. This guy's become a real good friend, man, and once again, Derek, thank you for sending this over. I told you I would not open it without making a video, so here we are. I finally broke free and I was able to get some time. And just for you, Derek, you see a lot of my Tarmac and Mini GT, mostly Porsches and RWBs down there. But we can maybe do a collection video at some other point. I got stuff everywhere. This thing is dope. Love this. I don't know how much you love this chassis, Derek. Oof, yeah, see. So yeah, if that's something you guys are interested in, we can definitely do. Speaking of Derek, the custom he made for me, I still really enjoy this thing. Beautiful work. This guy can hand detail so well. I'm a water slides guy. It makes life easier for me. I can definitely respect your work, man. So once again, thank you for this. And oh yeah, I got this one in the mail that I haven't been able to show from Jake over at Strictly Diecast. He did a great job. I appreciate you on this one as well, man. Thank you. So let's go ahead and go into this box and see what all Derek has supplied. All right, so we got his sticker with the little note on the back. Let's say, and yeah, this is my Christmas gift from him. It says, "Merry Xmas, bro. Inside are some pieces you might enjoy and need. Save the box for last if you decide to film." Yeah, see? He wanted me to film. Hope you love them. Much love, Derek HD. So this is the box, and we're gonna crack this open last for sure. So let's see what he got. And as always, great packing job, Derek. Ah, yes. Yeah, man, you know exactly what I wanted. The red edition 911. They did a great job with this. And I've yet to come across this, man. I appreciate you for this one, 100%. Definitely dope. Kroger exclusive 992. I feel like this is gonna be all Porsche related. Yes, can never have too many of these. Speaking of, I got one that's under the knife right now. You know what time it is. If y'all know me, y'all know. Another one. That's awesome, man. So we got two of these. Move this box out the way. Two of these. Sweet. And I appreciate you, dude. Thank you so much. And two of these also. Definitely gonna be using these for custom work. And what's in here? Oh, shoot, perfect. Talking about a loose one, I got another one. So yeah, we're definitely gonna be pushing out some sick customs, dude. I appreciate that. So let me go get a knife so we can crack this one open. All right, so let's see what's inside this box. Derek, always with the great packing job. So, I feel some cases. So these are gonna be customs for sure. Let's see what we got in here, man. What do y'all think it is? Wild guess. I know what this one is. You showed this one in the video. Man, I forgot about this, dude. All about it. Yeah. I need to get some of these clamshells, man. They come in handy. Dude, yes. Yes. Look at that. Yeah, man. Derek, bro. Man. Yeah, this is me appreciating the work. You put in some work, man. And if you can't read that, it's not focusing. There it goes. It says 713 diecast on the license plate. Damn, dude. Yes. Yeah, and she rolls. Good job. Man. Derek. I love that one, man. Thank you. Now I'm curious to see. Bro. I already know what this is. That's why you were freaking showing me this. So Derek told me, he showed me this, and he was like, man, this is the most favorite custom I've done to date. And I was like, dude, you killed it on this. Killed it. And I must say, he did a phenomenal job. Damn, man. For your 1K stuff, your paintwork comes out pretty glossy, dude. Great job, man. Damn, Derek. And of course, on the Carlomos, so y'all know these oops. Yeah, let's not do that. So y'all know these Carlomos roll, man. Great detail work. I see that. This guy. You're a magician, man. You are a magician. Your attention to detail, bro. It's so crazy. So yeah, once again, man, thank you so much, Derek. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. I appreciate y'all for watching. Maybe this next year coming up, I'm more active on here. Who knows?